The world of action videography is on the brink of a massive shift. And if you're a creator who demands nothing but the absolute best from your gear, you need to pay close attention to what is surfacing from the supply chain right now. We are seeing unprecedented movement surrounding the next flagship from DJI, a device that promises to refine everything we thought we knew about pocket-sized cinema. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The buzz surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7 is not just another minor iterative update. It represents a fundamental change in how we approach high-stakes filming in extreme conditions, and the leaked details suggest that DJI is pulling out all the stops to dominate the market by the end of this year. When you look at the trajectory of the Osmo Action series, it has always been about versatility. But the latest intelligence indicates that the Action 7 is positioning itself as a legitimate replacement for larger, more cumbersome cinema cameras. The primary focus here is a rumored 1.1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a significant departure from standard hardware, promising a massive leap in dynamic range that could reach up to 15 stops. This is crucial for anyone who has struggled with blown-out highlights or crushed shadows while filming in high-contrast environments like direct sunlight or deep, cavernous landscapes. Imagine being able to capture the intricate details of a mountain face while also perfectly exposing the sky above, all without needing to spend hours color grading in post-production. The color science improvements, specifically the shift toward a more robust 12-bit depth, will likely give creators the kind of latitude that was previously reserved for full-frame professional cameras, making the DJI Osmo Action 7 an indispensable tool for filmmakers who need to travel light but refuse to compromise on image quality. Beyond the sensor, the industry is closely watching the thermal management system, which remains the Achilles heel of almost every flagship action camera on the market today. Leaks suggest that the engineering team at DJI has overhauled the internal architecture to allow for essentially unlimited 4K recording, even in the most demanding environmental conditions. This isn't just a marketing bullet point. It's a game-changer for long-form vloggers and extreme sports enthusiasts who rely on their cameras to run continuously for hours on end without the fear of sudden shutdown. The integration of what is being referred to as RockSteady 5.0 takes this reliability to another level. By combining high-speed AI processing with real-time stabilization, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is aiming to eliminate the need for an external gimbal entirely, effectively turning every handheld shot into a smooth, professional-grade sequence. This level of stabilization, paired with the rumored 8K recording capability at 60 frames per second, positions the device as the ultimate run-and-gun camera for 2026. We have to address the elephant in the room, which is the sheer level of competition DJI is facing this year. With GoPro and Insta360 making aggressive moves, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is being engineered with a specific mindset to be the most dependable, rugged, and intelligent camera in your kit. The battery technology is also seeing a substantial upgrade, with a high-density, eco-friendly battery module designed to maximize efficiency during cold weather shoots, where lithium-ion performance typically drops off a cliff. This indicates that DJI is listening intently to the feedback from the pro community, particularly those working in the USA, UK, and Canada, where seasonal changes and extreme climate conditions are part of the daily workflow. They aren't just trying to make a better camera. They're trying to solve the specific pain points that have frustrated creators for years. Furthermore, the software ecosystem surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7 is expected to be more AI-driven than ever before. We are hearing reports of advanced subject tracking and autofocus algorithms that can anticipate movement with almost surgical precision, ensuring that you never miss a moment of the action. This is particularly relevant for solo creators who act as their own camera operators. With AI-powered framing and centering, you can set the camera up and trust that the technology will handle the composition, while you focus on the performance or the sport at hand. This is the definition of a smart tool one that works in the background to elevate your content while you concentrate on the creative vision. Pricing and availability for the DJI Osmo Action 7 remain a hot topic, with initial estimates placing the standard combo in the $349 to $429 range, while the Adventure combo, loaded with extra batteries and mounting gear, is expected to settle closer to the $500 mark. While these prices reflect the high-end nature of the components, they represent a significant value when you consider the sheer amount of post-production time you save by getting the shot right in camera. The timing of this release is also critical. As the community anticipates a Q3 or Q4 rollout, the hype is reaching a fever pitch, and for good reason. DJI is clearly setting the stage to finish the year with a bang, ensuring that the Action 7 remains the most relevant piece of gear in any creator's bag. If you have been on the fence about upgrading your camera setup, the evidence is mounting that waiting for this release will be the smartest decision you make in 2026. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is shaping up to be not just a new model, but a new standard, and it is going to be incredibly difficult for the competition to match what we are seeing in these early reports. Prepare your workflow and stay ready, because this is going to be the most impactful camera launch of the year.